Primevolve 10-inch LED fan, 11.1 lumens, 48 LEDs around the diameter of the fan. That stands up to about 36 to 38 plus inches and folds down to 8 inches. It is quite portable. You could take it anywhere imaginable with you and cool you off. It comes in a number of colors, also a number of other designs. So let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box. Here is the fan. You get a USB A to C charging cable, and you get a remote control for the fan that you can put inside when closed down. So let's open this up, show you what it looks like fully working. Looking over the fan, this is your 40 LED lights. In the center, you can spin this off. There's a piece of cotton inside. Put a little bit of oils in there, and it gives you some aromatherapy. As you can see, that will spin. Now, in order to open this up, there's one way it opens up. You can see the hinge back here, and you can see the area that's going to lift up over here. You're going to see the on and off, the 3 speeds, and the pulsation speed and the light. On the back of the unit over here, we're going to plug in to the 10,400 milliamp battery that's going to recharge. And you can see the lights blinking, showing you that each indicator is an increment and fully charged and goes solid when it's finished. On the remote control, you got the 3 fan speeds. You got the pulsation speed, and it looks like the on and off and rotation speed, so forth. Increase, decrease of light, and on and off. Further in detail, this is the fan on and off, and this is the light on and off. Number 5, this is the natural wind. So the wind, gentle breeze, heavy breeze, it'll give that pulsation. The wind is from 2 to 4 ms. That'd be the strength of it. To lock this down, you're simply going to take this bottom and you're going to twist it. It locks into place. And to extend it, you're just going to lift. It's going to be hard to do, so it holds in there. That's what the nylon is there for. So as you can see, we are going to be in the on position by hitting the on button. And that's almost like a feather touch button there that you press, and it shuts off. In order to use the remote control, you're going to pull out the plastic tab. There is a 2025 battery that's replaceable if they ever go bad. And you can turn the light on and off. You hit the dim, and you could turn the fan on and off as well with the bottom button. To go to speed number 1, speed number 2, do apologize if the camera shows different, speed number 3, and the decibels about under 40 dB, and wind and pulsation. The wind and pulsation takes a couple of seconds to do. As you can see, it's slowing and speeding up. This fan basically is 10,000 plus milliamps, 10,400 or so, and it extends up to 36 to 38 inches. The light is on. It doesn't rotate, oscillate. The other models will do that for you. And we simply here turn it on the pulsating. And it's a nice sized fan. So when you're going camping and all, I can feel this right here. And this is the P100. You can see it working. If I put this piece of paper here, and there it goes. You can see it moving. It's pretty strong indeed. There it goes. Look at that. So you know this is about 6 feet from me. The remote control could work up for a good 15 plus feet. Turn the light off and the fan off. Turn the light on. Increase the light and decrease the light. It blinks and tells you that's the lowest it can go. And that's the highest it can go. The Primevolve PF100 10,400 milliamp battery takes up to 6 hours to fully charge and can run a minimum of 7 hours on the maximum and 20 hours on the minimum speed without the light on. So depending on what you want to turn on and use, the speeds and all, and the brightness, the fan's about. After so many times, as you can see, the light goes off and the fan will shut down when the power runs out. So to charge this fan up, it takes up to 6 hours to fully run. You plug it in and you turn it on, and you can run this fan on 5 volts, 2 amps, unlimited amount of time. So if you got a power bank and you're out in the field and you need to recharge, you can do so and have yourself a fan. I hope Primevolve is something that you are looking for to cool you off out on those nice hot days. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.